My name is Amrita, and I'm here in Mexico after 4 years in India and Thailand, where I was embraced by this field of sacred sexuality, conscious touch, tantra. So what I found is that we cannot really dive deep into sacredness if we are not in tune, if we are not in a safe space. So in order to create a safe space, there are elements that are so important to be aware of and to play with, because it's a game finally. So communication, authentic communication is a very powerful tool. When we become aware, when this attention comes inside of me and I'm feeling, how do I feel? What do I want? And so bring awareness to desires, fears, boundaries. We don't need to be nice. We can be real, we can be vulnerable, we can say stuff that we normally wouldn't say, that will just stay in our mind and bring our mind wandering away when we are sharing a space with someone. What happens if I'm vulnerable? And what happens if I learn how to express my desire? And what happens if I learn how to receive a no without entering in the drama queen? There's no problem, I can receive a no. And it's a gift. It's a gift because you are taking care of yourself. And so really rewiring the brain and feeling the gratefulness of receiving a no. Thank you for taking care of yourself, which is also taking care of me.